Hey everybody,
Welcome to the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show, sponsored by the Auto Shop.
To schedule an appointment, please call 972-578-0588
Or check us out online at www.theautoshop.com. And you can click on there and set an appointment and we'll schedule you right in.
Perfect. That way it's convenient for you.
Life is good.
All right, so I had the question the other day. I was talking with an older gentleman at the front counter, and he said, it seems like it takes longer to get my car repaired compared to how it used to. It used to be like it was in and out in the morning, and now it's like some things sometimes take all day or it runs into the next day. So I'm asking Jerry, why is that happening? Why is that real, for one? Is it taking longer? And then why?
You always have questions.
I have an inquiring mind.
Inquiring minds want to know. And this is not the National Enquirer.
And it's not just me. Our customers want to know too. So
there's a number of reasons. First of all, look under the hood of your own car. Man, I can barely get my hands into places on these cars today.
They stuff them full in there.
They stuff everything so tight, you have to take most of it apart just to be able to access. Huge time sink.
Yeah.
Huge time sink, okay? Number two, parts are different. You think, what the hell are you talking about? A starter's still a starter. Not so, Grasshopper. Now, what do I mean? Well, in the old days, a General Motors vehicles would have a maximum of 4 different starters. Today, General Motors vehicles will have over 40 different starters. Wow. You got to make sure you got the right SKU. In addition to that, like your car, my wife drives a Cadillac XTS. Now, Cadillac XTS makes 4 different drivetrain configurations for her vehicle. It could be the 3.6, could be the 3.0 twin turbo, and all-wheel drive to either or none of those. So again, all of those changes mean different parts. So when you bring your vehicle in, we run the VIN number and we actually put eyeballs on it to make sure that we're getting the right parts. And then we have to search them.
Yeah, that's why we don't give estimates over the phone, because if we gave an estimate for something and we got the wrong part,
it'll blow the whole thing.
Then that changes the whole estimate. That's why we have you bring the vehicle in so that we can actually look at the part, see, well, first of all, diagnose if that's really what the problem is, and then
come on.
Because other shops have been wrong. So, and then we have to know exactly what that part looks like so that we get the exact part that's correct for your vehicle.
Right. So those are 2 major deals, and let's add the third leg to the tripod.
Okay. Yep.
If you can imagine. So they've been stopping the vocational education in the United States in the mid-70s.
Yeah.
I don't know when, but in '63 they had the vocational education funding program, grant funding from the government that helped schools set up vocational education. And I'll tell you, we had a great one in our school. And right after I graduated high school 150 years ago, they shut it down. They turned it into a freaking art building. Not that there's anything wrong with art, but we lost vocational education, which means we have a shortage of, right now in the United States, the auto repair industry alone is short over 125,000 technicians.
Wow, that's automotive technicians. You're not including plumbers or electricians or AC and heating repair?
No, ma'am, and I'll promise you, every owner of every one of those trades companies is screaming for good people. They're just not out there.
We're always on the lookout for really good technicians. We only have really high level, good quality technicians here.
Yeah, and the truth of it is, the absolute truth of it is, the average tech in the United States for auto repair is 59 years of age. That means they all look like me. We're getting older. And we're going to retire at one point. We're going to have to, because our bodies can't take the stress and strain that we put it through. So this is part of what causes the delays. You've got accessibility in the car, too many different parts that we have to search and sometimes air freight in. And honestly, we don't have enough technicians as an industry. So how can we fix that? Well, My hands are not going to get smaller, neither are my techs, and they're certainly not making vehicles bigger these days. They keep trying to shrink them smaller and smaller, right? And they're certainly not making it easier to work on or less parts. And we just need more help in the field. We need more people bypassing college, going to a good vocational school or on-the-job training. Or something.
There is a new vocational school in Collin County now.
Yeah, Collin.
It just
College,
opened up like last year.
Yeah, Collin College Technical Campus, and what a beautiful facility!
It's gorgeous. They have everything that a new technician, somebody who's wants to learn a trade, they have so much there.
Yeah,
so if you know a young person that's leaving high school and they're looking for something to do, maybe they would be perfect for one of the vocational schools. And it's a really good job. What is it that you said? You'll always be able to put food on your table and a roof over your head.
Take care of your family, absolutely.
That's right.
So my dad taught me many years ago. He said, listen, this is a great business, and you'll always be able to take care of your family, put food on your table, and help out thousands of people. And I've been honored to help out more than 250,000 vehicles, and I don't even know how many generations of folks we've worked on their cars here at the auto shop.
That part's fun.
It is really fun. When I see people come in and go, yeah, my grandpa told me to come in and get my car worked on here. That's really cool. So anyway, that's what we do here at the auto shop. If you have questions or comments, please reach out to us. You can see it, email us at service@theautoshop.com. You can go online at www.theautoshop.com, make an appointment.
Or just give us a call at 972-578-0588.
Yeah, and we'll talk to you soon. Be safe, everybody. Thanks.
Bye.